Hey everyone, it's Robin, and you're watching The Robin's Nest. Here on my channel, I like to make tons of cool and creative cake ideas to hopefully help you create your own beautiful cake designs. So I hope you'll keep watching and you'll hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed the video. So for today's cake, I decided we'd go with a cake based on the super popular social networking app, TikTok. So let's get right into it. Alright, so to start, I've pre-leveled my 3 layers. And I've pre-mixed some icing colors and some pretty rainbow colors. I can't wait to use them. And what we're going to do, we're going to start in the middle with the purple, and we're going to work our way to the outside all the way to pink. And then we're going to do that for the next layer. And then when we get to the outside, we're going to cover that in white. And then we're going to decorate with some more rainbow decorations. So let's get started. Okay, so we filled our layers, and our cake looks nice and level. So the next step we're going to take is we're going to take our knife and we're going to trim off all this brown stuff so it doesn't show through our white icing. And instead, we're going to do our crumb coat. Alright, now our crumb coat's finished, so we're going to chill that for 20-30 minutes and firm up the buttercream. Okay, now that our cake is chilling, we can get on to doing some decorations. So for this cake, I've decided that I'm going to try to put a set of headphones on it, like actually on it. And I'm not sure how I'm going to do it just yet. It's going to be a little bit experimental, but we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I've rolled out my fondant and I've rolled it out pretty thick, and I'm going to cut it down and make a nice thick headband, and then I'm going to use my cake pan to give it its shape and use that while it's drying to hold the shape. Alright, the headband part's done. I know at this stage a lot of people use a lot of different methods to try to firm up their fondant. Some people will just use thyme, other people will use Tylo powder. Myself, I like to use my food dehydrator. It's a little bit quicker. It adds a little bit of heat, so it makes it a little bit inconsistent and a little bit hard to work with, but as long as you have it supported well and something to help it keep its shape, it works beautifully. So I'm going to go take this and stick it on a piece of parchment paper and set it on top of my food dehydrator and let it sit for about an hour, maybe 2. See how that goes. Okay, so our cake is chilled up, and the next thing we're going to do is add our nice generous coat of buttercream icing. And once I get that all smoothed out, we're going to start adding some rainbow accents. Well, here it is. Our rainbow design turned out pretty good, I think. So all we have left to do now is just throw all these decorations on the cake and see how it looks. Well, here it is, our Tik Tok cake. I think it turned out great. Well, I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. See you later.